Let's take a look at this Dodge Durango with a 4.7 liter engine, and it's got a misfire code for cylinder number 4. Now on the wire harness it shows cylinders 2, 4, 6, 8 on the passenger side. On the driver's side we have cylinders 1, 3, 5, and 7. And so an appropriate thing to do would be to test the coil output here. And it's very simple. I mean, you could even swap two coils here. If cylinder number 6 is working fine, we can swap the two coils back and forth and see if the misfire travels with the coil. Well, if you come to the conclusion that it is time to replace the ignition coil, you can see here we've got our brand new ignition coil, and I'm going to just simply squeeze the tab here and disconnect the electrical connector. I'm going to take a 10 millimeter socket and remove the hold down nut. And we simply lift the coil up out of here. Now, we want to make sure that our old coil is not soaked with oil, which could be from numerous gaskets leaking and running water or oil down inside the cylinder. If that's the case, we need to find out where that's coming from. But this one, as you can tell, is nice and dry. And it's always a good idea to replace the spark plug along with the ignition coil. It's good, proper maintenance. So we're going to take our new ignition coil, slide it down into place on our new spark plug. Now we've started the nut on here, and I know I removed this with electric impact, but we're going to install it with a 3/8 ratchet and our 10 millimeter socket. Once it's down nice and tight, our connection's made, we can go ahead and clear whatever codes may have been stored in the computer, and we should be back up and running on all 8 cylinders. We've just replaced our ignition coil on this 4.7 liter Dodge Durango.